Hello and welcome in our another drawing session. Today we are going to learn how to draw a hill house scenery drawing. First we are going to draw some hills and a bridge that connects those hills. Now we are connecting the bridge. Make it look good. Now we are going to draw a house with a black charcoal pencil. Now shade it a bit to give it a good effect. Now draw some windows. Now a chimney to the house that will make it look more better. Let's see how we are going to do this. Make sure you draw with us. Now we are drawing a horizon, a sun that shines on the horizon of the river. To give it a good sunny look. Now we are erasing some shade. Now we are going to draw some coconut trees around the house. This is the first one on the right, and now we are going to draw another one on the left. Make sure you draw with us. You also take pencil and paper and draw with us. Now we are going to draw a path that leads us to house. See how good it's going to be. I hope you are liking it. Now we are going to draw a boat, a boatman, and another sailor in the boat. Now we are shading coconut leaves to give it a good look. I hope you are going to like this and love this, and I hope you will make sure to share it and subscribe our channel Drawing Time. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such amazing videos, and do tell us in comments from where you are watching so that I can thank you. Now just to give it a good look, we are shading the roof, shading the lanes, also the trunk of coconut tree. Now finally we are drawing some birds and giving a shade to bridge. And for more of such drawings, please subscribe to our channel.